Mike, we're busy bringing all the ballots that would be needed for the new branch line.
Hello down there. Hello up there.
Hello down there and up there.
Hello? What's this? Oh dear, Thomas. What's up with you?
The Fat Controller has taken my branch line away and given it to some other tank engine called Ryan.
What? Why would he do that?
Because of Gordon, the big bossy boiler. That's why. He called me a silly little tank engine and made me cross.
Oh, big engines always think they're better than small engines.
That's right. They look down on us. Even when we're the ones on top.
Exactly.
Never overlook a little engine. Little ones are really useful too. We got trucks to pull, so make 'em extra full. I've never known a job that I couldn't do. With a bit of help from me, maybe. Never overlook a little engine. We could take you where you wanna go. We may have tiny track, but we'll get you there and back. And hold on to your hats, we don't go slow.
Look out, Thomas!
If you think the bigger's better, then you're making a mistake. The ocean isn't wetter than a tiny little lake. A cherry might be tastier than a great big cake. And we can turn around in half the time those big guys take. Never overlook a little engine. We have set our sights upon the sky. You need a lot of puff. Being big is not enough. I've never known a job that I wouldn't try. Me neither. Nor me. Never overlook a little engine like me.